How to sign up on Netflix. In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can sign up on Netflix. First, launch open any web browser and search Netflix. Then head over to netflix.com. You can do this on the app as well. Here, go ahead and enter your email address. Once you have entered that, tap on the Get Started option. Now, the next step will begin. Over here, you will have to finish setting up your account. For that, tap on the Send Link option. Now a link will be sent to your email address. Simply tap the link in the email to finish setup, or you can choose create a password instead option as well. For that, you simply want to enter a new password, then tap on the next option. Here you will have to choose your plan, tap on next. Now select your preferred plan. You have options such as mobile, basic, standard and premium. Select whichever you want, then tap on next. Next thing you want to do is choose how you pay. Go ahead and select your payment method. If you have selected credit or debit card, then go ahead and enter the card number. Then enter the expiry date. Now enter CVV. Then enter name on card. After that, tap on the Start Membership option. In this way, you can easily create a new account on Netflix. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.